In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture on your Wells Fargo debit card. This process is surprisingly easy and can add a personal touch to your financial life. Whether you want to upload a favorite photo or pick a design from an image gallery, I'll guide you through the steps to customize your debit card just the way you like it. First, you'll need to head over to the Wells Fargo Card Design Studio website. Simply open up your preferred internet browser and type in wellsfargo.com Card Design Studio. Once you're on the site, you'll see options for different card types. If you have a personal account, you'll want to click on Personal Cards, whereas business account holders should select Business Cards. This will ensure you're modifying the correct type of card. Once you've chosen your account type, look for the Design My Card option under the Wells Fargo debit card section. This is where the real fun begins. You now have the choice to select an image from their curated gallery or upload a photo directly from your computer or mobile device. If you've chosen to upload your own picture, make sure it's a high quality image for the best results. Next, it's time to get creative. You'll see a preview of your card on the screen, allowing you to adjust and position your selected image. You can resize it and move it around, just play with it until everything looks just right. This is your opportunity to express your individuality, so feel free to experiment with different looks until you're perfectly satisfied. After you've arranged your image and are happy with the preview, it's crucial to thoroughly review your design. Once you confirm that everything looks good, go ahead and click the Submit button to send your design off for approval. This is an important step, as Wells Fargo will review your customization to ensure it meets their guidelines before proceeding. Rest assured, Wells Fargo will notify you once your design has been approved. After receiving this confirmation, you can expect your new customized debit card to arrive in the mail. This process generally doesn't take too long, so you should have your personalized card in hand shortly thereafter. Remember, customizing your debit card not only adds a bit of flair to your wallet, but also makes it uniquely yours. Follow these instructions, and you'll have a personalized Wells Fargo debit card that stands out and represents your style. Keep an eye on your mailbox for your new card, and enjoy showing off your creativity every time you make a purchase. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.